Ready? Where should I look? Hey kids, Jillana here from BMF. And my birdies are back again, but this time they're playing a new game. They're playing a game with their woodpecker friends. Can you help me find woodpeckers? You can? Thank you! Alright, so what does your woodpecker friend sound like? Well, my woodpecker friend I'm looking for sounds like this. Can you clap it with me like this? Yeah? Okay. Where should I look? Down here? Is that my woodpecker friend? No. Remember, my woodpecker friend sounds like this. Where should I look now? This way? Ready? Is that my woodpecker friend? No, my woodpecker friend sounds like this. Clap it with me. Where should I look now? Up? Is that my woodpecker friend? Yay! Thank you, thank you. Hi, I'm playing hide and seek with my woodpecker friend, and it sounds like this. Ready? Can you clap it with us? Ready? Where should I look? This way? Ready? Is that what my woodpecker friend sounds like? No. Remember, it sounds like this. Where should I look? Down here? Is that what it sounds like? No. Remember, it sounds like this. Let's clap it together. Let's see. Where should I look now? That way? Let's go. Ready? This is what I hear. Is that them? Yeah? Yay! Hello, hello! Will you help me find my woodpecker friend? I like the one that pecks really slow. It pecks like this. Can you do that with me? Can you clap it with me like this? Where should I look? This way? Ready? Is that it? No. Remember, let's do it together. It goes like this. Where should I look? This way? Okay. And I hear. Is that my woodpecker friend? Yes? Oh, thank you, thank you. Hi. I'm looking for my woodpecker friend. Can you help me? Yeah. Okay. I have a woodpecker friend. It sounds like this. Can you clap it with me? Where should I look? This way? Let's listen. Is that what it sounds like? No. It sounds like this. Do it with me. Where should I look? Down? Let's see. Oh, I found them! Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you! Thanks for helping them all find their friends. See you next time. Thank you so much for helping all these little birdies find their homes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But the fun's not over yet. Look for the attachment to draw your very own birdie family and what it looked like after the birdies found their moms and dads. Have fun. Bye.